What has receiving a one-star review taught me? Well, it might surprise you. Join me and I'll share what I did as a takeaway for receiving a one-star review. Hey, welcome back. My name is Jeff Harrison. So what has receiving a one-star review taught me? It reminds me of the Michael Jordan quote about all the winning shots he made. The fans forgot about the 3,000 misses. No, it does not mean I forgot about the one-star review or the customer who blessed me with it. What it means to me is that sometimes, just like Mike, even when he dribbled and passed and made the right cuts and slid off the blocker to get open, and then Pippen passed him the shot, and then he took it and it didn't go in, he got it right back in there and kept going, because his career and my business is not constructed or defined by one shot or one-star review. Yes, it's true. I've learned a few lessons from this particular customer that I've already incorporated into all my agreements since to protect my company and the customers. It has taught me, even when we follow every step, deliver results the customers have never experienced in over 10 years of existence, all recorded and tracked. Some folks will just not be happy and, like the shot missed, move on. Thank them, bless them, and wish them well, but move on. Does it bug me or sting a bit? 100%. Does it make me scratch my head after increasing their traffic by 25x? Most definitely. Do I ask myself, what could have I done differently? Absolutely. Except, as I review this last question in my head, I think the only thing I could have done differently might have been to say no thank you at the beginning and just passed on the opportunity to take them on as a client. You see, some folks, no matter what, will have reactions we cannot understand or be explained. I'm grateful for the review. It prompted me to send my contract to my attorney. She saw some weak points I was missing, and we've included new verbiage. No, not legalese, but more clearly outlining some steps I had left out. My former contract was more of a relaxed handshake because my customers often became friends, because we stay together and work alongside one another for a long period of time, and it's almost impossible not to have a different relationship. This one-star review has reminded me, or brought to light, it is still important to get it all in writing for the protection of all who sign up. It was an invaluable lesson, this one-star experience. Listen, don't wait for a one-star review to get you to make sure your house is in order. Seek out an attorney who can help you construct a working agreement or contract that has verbiage in it, and make sure you are protected. And then it's clear what you're going to do, and more importantly, what you're not going to do. I am so grateful for my attorney, Pantea Fozouni. She immediately got in there, and like a Phil Jackson, you know, how he would call timeout, pull everyone over to the sidelines and point out the missing pieces and lay out a new plan. Pantea grabbed my agreement and helped make certain the holes I had were then plugged. Oh, one last thing. When or if you get a one-star review, respond immediately. Stay away from making them wrong. Now, this is me, not Pantea, my attorney, saying this, but use data to show, if possible, that you did do what you promised. Apologize for not being able to make them happy, wish them nothing but success, and close the door. Because like one of those 3,000 missed shots, without them, Michael would not have become the Jordan we enjoy watching. So don't be afraid of the missed shot or the one-star review. It does not define you. Thanks for joining. My name is Jeff Harrison. My company is Swingpointmedia. And do we have a one-star review? Yes, we do. Did we learn from it? Absolutely. But we bless those people, we move on, and we wish them the very best.